finding the cube of any number. So it's same like finding the square of any two-digit number concept. No, same let us do. Before finding the cube of any number, let me show you one simple formula. The a plus b whole cube. A plus b whole cube is a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. Okay, just remember this, and by using this formula, how to find out the cube of any two-digit number in simple way, I'll explain. So according to this, let me take AB. Okay, for example, 13. So you need to find out 13 to the power 3, 13 cube. So there is AB cube. So imagine just A place is 1 and the place of B is 3. 13, right? So A is 1 and B is 3. Any number you can treat like this. Next, this is a cube. A cube term, 3a square b term, and 3a b square and b cube term. They are the three terms. So first one, second one, third one, fourth one. Now by observing these numbers, a cube, first number cube, 1 cube is 1, right? 1 cube it is. Next, because in the place of a is 1, right? So you should write 1 cube, 3 into 1 square into 3, again 3 into 1 into 3 square, and 3 cube. This data we need to write by observing. So no need of writing each and every step. So once you know perfectly the formula, just by observing you can write the steps here. Okay, so here is 1 cube is 1. Next, 3 into 1 square means 1, 3 3 is so 9 it is. 3ab square, square is only for the b. 3 square is 9, 9 3 is so 27, and 3 cube is 27. So this is the first step. So afterwards, after making, now this is the main step. 1 9 27 27. So let it be. From this you can find out the final answer. Just nothing is done. Only you can apply the formula to find out the final answer. Interesting. You can start from the units place. So first 7 asked is, always tens place must be added to the next number previous. You have to start from the left. Units place 2 plus 7. So this value is 9. Again tens place should be added to the previous next place here. So this is a 2 plus 9. So 11 it is. But you should write only single digit. This is 11 means 1 you can write to carry to this. Then remaining number you can write this. So finally last one is 2. If any two-digit number, carry to the previous one. So this is 1 plus 1 more 1. So this is 2. The final answer is 2197. Right? 2197 is answer. Let me explain one more example, then get clear idea. Just only by observing the formula, instead of writing lengthy, just see here now. If you want to find out 24 to the power 3. So only just 4 steps you write first by observing this. So first one is 2, right? So this is the A place and this is the B place. Now A cube. So 2 cube. 8 it is. Next, A square B into 3. So this is 2 square is 4. Again B value is 4. 16 2s are. So 48 will come. Next, 3 into A into B square. So 4 square is 16. 16 into 2 and 3. So 96. Finally last number cube. 4 cube. So 64. Only this you need to be perfect when you're doing. So using this you can write. Just only steps is 4 asked is. Now this the tens place should be added to the next. So 6 plus 6. So 12. 12 means you write 2 here and 1 carry to this. Now 9 plus 1 is 10. 10 should be added to this again. 10 plus 8 is 18. 18 no? So 1 carry to this and 8 right in this place. Next finally 4 plus 1 is 5. 5 plus 8. So 13. Nothing else more. So write 13 this place. 13,824. Only just based on the formula, if you can able to write the numbers fast, then you can do this calculation fast. So this is the one of the method to find out the cube of any number.